Good day. For this video, we will have a brief walkthrough on how to input your 1099 DIV form into the Drake 2023 tax software. For the left side of the screen, we have the general phase of the 1099 DIV form. To input the data found in your 1099 DIV onto the Drake software, you just go to your Drake software, and then under the General tab, in the middle section of the software, we have the DIV or the 1099 DIV dividend income. You just need to double click on this, and then a screen will pop up highlighting the important data that you can see on your 1099 DIV form. So to go to our data entry screen, you just need to double click on this portion, and our data entry screen for dividend income or 1099 DIV will pop up. So if you can see on the upper left portion of the Drake app, you have TSJ, which corresponds to whom the form was issued to. So was it issued to the primary taxpayer, to the spouse, or to each spouse equally? So for this sample, this form was issued to the primary taxpayer. The state is the state of the taxpayer, which is Massachusetts. And for this portion, we have the payer information. So we have to be careful in entering our data and make sure that the payer information found on this portion of the form is properly entered in our Drake software. So we have the tax ID number, which corresponds to the payer's PIN, 901234567, and then the name of the payer, which is Ninth Degree Analytics Corp. The street address, which is 777 Data Science Way, Suite 1200. So in inputting the street address, we take away all the commas, the period, and the apostrophes. Next is the city, which is Boston, state, Massachusetts, and the zip code. This portion of the Drake software replicates the data found on your 1099 DIV form. So you can take notice that every box number corresponds to the same box number found in your 1099 DIV form. You just need to enter the data onto the correct boxes. So for box 1A, we have total ordinary dividends of $10,000. Box 1B, $6,500. Box 2A, total capital gain distribution of $3,000. And then for box 4, which is the federal income tax withheld, amounting to $500. After entering all the available data in our 1099 DIV form, you can now exit this window, and then you can see the summary of the data you just entered. So we have the ordinary dividend of $10,000, qualified dividends of $6,500, and a capital gain distribution of $3,000. You just need to click on Save, and now you have successfully entered your 1099 DIV dividend income onto your Drake 2023 tax software.